Welcome to FleetProxy. In this video, we'll show you how to set up proxies using Incogniton. First, open the Incogniton app. From the main window, click on New Profile. Give your profile a name. Adjust any additional settings as needed, then click on Add Proxy. Now go to your FleetProxy dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Active Proxies. Choose your plan, then click on Manage. Next, click on Generator. Adjust your settings, including country selection, rotation, and sticky sessions. Then choose the proxy format: host, port, username, and password. Finally, copy the proxy. Go back to the Incogniton app. Set the connection type to HTTP. Paste the full proxy into the host and port field. It will automatically fill in the remaining fields. Then click on Check Proxy. If everything is working correctly, click on Create Profile and run the profile. And that's it. Thanks for watching.